Nestled in the Venetian Lagoon, just a short boat ride away from the bustling city of Venice, lies a small island that seems like it's been plucked right out of a fairy tale. Burano, renowned for its vibrant houses, picturesque canals, and exquisite lacework, has become a hidden gem for travelers seeking a unique and colorful experience. We will take you on a virtual journey to Burano, exploring its rich history, vibrant culture, and captivating attractions. Burano is often referred to as the Island of Colors, and it's not hard to see why. As you approach the island, you'll be greeted by a dazzling display of brightly painted houses lining the canals. Each house boasts a different hue, creating a mesmerizing mosaic of colors that is truly a feast for the eyes. Legend has it that fishermen started painting their houses in vibrant shades to easily spot them from afar. Today, the tradition continues, with residents meticulously repainting their homes every few years. Like its neighboring city Venice, Burano is interlaced with a network of picturesque canals. Take a leisurely stroll along the canals, crossing the quaint bridges that connect the vibrant streets. The reflections of the colorful houses on the calm waters create a scene straight out of a postcard. Be sure to bring your camera to capture the enchanting beauty that surrounds you. With its vibrant houses, picturesque canals, and colorful reflections, Burano offers endless opportunities for photography enthusiasts. Every corner of the island presents a new frame-worthy shot, making it a paradise for capturing stunning images. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur with a smartphone, you'll find yourself captivated by the beauty of Burano. Burano is more than just a colorful island, it's a place that will leave you spellbound. From its rainbow-hued houses to its rich lace-making traditions, Burano offers a unique and enchanting experience. Whether you're a lover of art, history, or simply seeking a charming escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, Burano is sure to leave a lasting impression. So, pack your bags, hop on a boat, and prepare to immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Burano.